Let's dive in. Giraffes are iconic African animals. These majestic creatures are instantly recognizable by their long necks and unique coat patterns, which are as individual as human fingerprints. They are renowned for their remarkable height, which can reach up to 18 feet in males. This towering stature sets them apart from other animals in the savanna. This height is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their feeding habits. Giraffes have evolved to take advantage of the high foliage that other herbivores cannot access. Giraffes can reach high into the trees, often feeding on the leaves of acacia trees, which are a staple in their diet. Their long necks allow them to browse foliage that is out of reach for most other animals. This gives them access to a food source that few other animals can reach. Giraffes are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of plants. They primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits. This means their diet consists entirely of plants. They spend a significant portion of their day feeding, consuming up to 75 pounds of foliage daily to sustain their massive bodies. Their height gives them a significant advantage in the competition for food. While other herbivores are limited to ground-level vegetation, giraffes can access the lush, nutrient-rich leaves high in the trees. They can browse on leaves that are out of reach of other herbivores. This unique adaptation not only helps them survive but also reduces competition for food resources, allowing them to thrive in their natural habitat. Giraffes have a particular fondness for acacia trees. These trees are abundant in the African savanna. Acacias are a rich source of nutrients. However, they also have a defense mechanism. Acacias have thorns to deter herbivores. Giraffes have evolved to overcome these thorns. Their long necks allow them to reach past the thorny branches. They can access the tender leaves with their specialized mouths. The giraffe's tongue is a marvel of adaptation. It is long, prehensile, and incredibly flexible. A giraffe's tongue can grow up to 20 inches long. This allows them to delicately pluck leaves from branches. Their mouths are also adapted for eating thorny vegetation. Giraffes have thick, leathery lips. These lips are insensitive to thorns. This protects their mouths from injury as they feed. Their saliva also contains a natural antiseptic. This helps to heal any minor scratches they might get. Giraffes are large animals with big appetites. An adult giraffe can eat up to 75 pounds of vegetation daily. They spend a significant portion of their day eating. This can be up to 12 hours of browsing. Their feeding habits are essential for their survival. They need to consume a large amount of food to sustain their massive bodies. Their specialized adaptations allow them to do this efficiently. They even help them thrive in their environment. Section 5. Quenching their thirst, water and moisture from leaves. Giraffes get most of their moisture from the vegetation they consume. These towering creatures have adapted to their environment in remarkable ways, allowing them to thrive even in the harshest conditions. This is especially true during the dry season, when water sources become scarce and the landscape turns arid. The giraffe's ability to extract moisture from leaves becomes crucial for their survival. The leaves of acacia trees contain a significant amount of water. These trees are a vital resource for giraffes, providing not only hydration but also essential nutrients. However, giraffes do need to drink water. Despite their ability to extract moisture from leaves, they cannot entirely forego drinking. They can go for days without drinking, relying on the moisture from their diet to sustain them. This remarkable adaptation allows them to survive in environments where other animals might struggle. But eventually, they need to find a water source. When they do, it is often a cautious and deliberate process. Drinking can be a vulnerable activity for a giraffe. Their height, which is an advantage in many ways, becomes a challenge when they need to lower their heads to drink. Their long legs and neck make them awkward when they bend down to drink. This position makes them susceptible to predators, so they must remain vigilant and alert while quenching their thirst. The giraffe's unique adaptations highlight the delicate balance of survival in the wild. Section 6. Vigilance is key, staying one step ahead of predators. Giraffes have evolved a range of adaptations to avoid predators. Their height gives them an excellent vantage point. They can spot predators from afar. Their keen eyesight allows them to detect movement from a distance. Giraffes are also social animals. They live in loose herds. This provides them with safety in numbers. Many eyes are better than two when it comes to spotting danger. Section 7. When danger calls. A giraffe's flight to safety. If a predator does approach, a giraffe's first line of defense is to flee. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Their long strides cover a lot of ground quickly. This makes it difficult for predators to catch them. However, giraffes cannot maintain this speed for extended periods. Section 8. Avoiding competition, a high-rise feeding strategy. Giraffes have evolved to occupy a unique ecological niche. Their height allows them to avoid competition with other herbivores. They feed on leaves that are out of reach of smaller animals. This reduces competition for food. It also ensures that giraffes have access to a consistent food supply, even during times of drought when other herbivores struggle to find enough to eat. Section 9. Digestion at heights from cud to four-chambered stomach. Giraffes, like cows, are ruminants. This means they have a four-chambered stomach. This complex digestive system allows them to break down tough plant material and extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food. Giraffes also practice rumination. They regurgitate partially digested food called cud and chew it again to further break down the plant fibers. Section 10. Seeking minerals. Supplementing a herbivore's diet. While giraffes get most of their nutrients from plants, they also need minerals. These minerals are essential for their health. Giraffes will often supplement their diet by eating soil. This behavior is known as geophagy. It allows them to obtain minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone health. Section 11. Perfectly adapted, thriving in a challenging world. Giraffes are a testament to the power of adaptation. These magnificent creatures have evolved over millions of years to become one of the most iconic animals of the African savanna. Their unique physical characteristics and behavioral traits have allowed them to thrive in the challenging environment of the African savanna. Standing tall at heights of up to 18 feet, giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. This extraordinary height gives them a significant advantage in spotting predators from a distance and accessing food sources that are out of reach for other herbivores. From their towering height to their specialized tongues and digestive systems, giraffes are perfectly equipped to browse on the high branches of acacia trees. Their long necks, which can be up to 6 feet in length, allow them to reach leaves that other animals cannot. Additionally, their prehensile tongues, which can extend up to 18 inches, are adept at grasping and stripping leaves from branches. Giraffes are perfectly equipped to browse on the high branches of acacia trees. Their tongues are not only long but also tough and covered in thick saliva, which protects them from the thorns of the acacia trees. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as acacia leaves are a primary food source for giraffes. Their vigilance, speed, and powerful kicks help them to avoid predators. Giraffes have excellent vision, which allows them to keep a lookout for potential threats. When faced with danger, they can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Their powerful legs are also formidable weapons. A single kick from a giraffe can be lethal to predators such as lions. Their ability to obtain moisture from their food allows them to survive in arid conditions. Giraffes primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits, which contain a significant amount of water. This adaptation enables them to go for long periods without drinking water, making them well suited to the dry environments of the savanna. Giraffes are a true marvel of the natural world. Their remarkable adaptations and resilience in the face of environmental challenges make them a symbol of nature's ingenuity and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. As we continue to study and learn from these fascinating animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains our world. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button.